This is a 2010 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features and packages include the premium sound package, a navigation system, keyless ignition, chrome wheels, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a premium sound system, side curtain airbags, traction control, and this vehicle has less than 54,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Huggins Honda for your next vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 7551 Northeast Loop 820 in North Richland Hills.